A decade after the arrival of the Lamborghini Huracán, now Lamborghini has revealed its replacement, the Temerario, which means its lovely naturally aspirated V10 engine is dead too. As a replacement, now the heart of the Temerario is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, a 3.8 kilowatt battery, and 3 electric motors. The combustion engine alone makes 789 horsepower and 730 newton-meter of torque and can spin to 10,000 RPM. The total output is 920 horsepower, and it takes the Temerario just 2.7 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour. Like the Revuelto, the Temerario features 2 electric motors at the front axle, plus a third sandwiched between the V8 and 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. But it's not all about speed and acceleration. The Temerario uses a new ultra-light aluminum chassis, and Lamborghini says it's 20% stiffer than its predecessor. Lamborghini also created the Alleggerita package, a lightweight option that shaves off up to 55 pounds. The kit brings a carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, rear lid, door panels, and passenger footrest. Moving inside, there are many similarities to the Revuelto, like a floating digital gauge cluster, a portrait landscape infotainment screen, and a thin digital display on the passenger side. Other features including a Sonus Faber sound system and a pair of 18-way adjustable heated and ventilated seats. Lamborghini hasn't announced pricing details yet and hasn't said when sales of the Temerario will begin. But we expect the Temerario to start around $290,000 and go on sale by early 2025.